We are Sorted Food, a bunch of Brits who love our food.
That is outstanding.
It's phenomenal.
We find ourselves a long way from home with a huge challenge ahead of us.
Here we go again.
You really shouldn't eat like this all the time, but when you do, you should really go for it.
Wow, this is going to be good.
Boys, we're going to be all right. The watermelon is brilliant.
And in 48 hours, I'll be judging the Sorted Guys' Southern style cooking. I love this city, so don't mess it up.
We have to get this right.
Out of interest, how much would this bottle be worth now?
Probably about $10,000 right now.
I don't think I've ever eaten out of a trash can. We are the keepers of the flame.
This is amazing! Cheers!
We are the children.
Excellent.
Now you're a proper Southern belle.
I already like Savannah.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh,
He's hit every one, and on his fifth, he broke the bat.
Just wondering if you've seen rule number 4, long pants and hard-soled shoes are recommended. Not red shorts and plimsolls.
hold us up.
A couple of studs getting back to nature.
I like to do a good job.
We lit the fire. We turn the shadow to light.
There's too much roof on, Mustang Sally.
We lit the fire.
Ever seen a chef sit down and cook?
Lazy.
We lit the fire.
That is a genius dish. Like, conceptually, that's brilliant. And it tastes great.
Boys. I have sherry!
It looks like you're off to the doctors with a sample.
Amazing!